Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. This is the card kit for December 2024. I'm featuring the Wintry Tree Tops stamp set. The sending thanks and much love sentiment really spoke to me. You probably won't get this card kit until maybe after Christmas, who knows, with the Canadian Postal Strike. So, if you shop with me, I am happy to send you this card kit as well as a free gift if you're using the host code. So this is, I'm thinking that it'll probably come to you after Christmas, and that is the reason why I sort of chose a thank you. We all need extra thank you cards for all those lovely gifts that we will be given at Christmas time. So I am folding the cardstock here. Again, I put the it's all scored and everything for you in the card kit, and you'll get two different colors. Here we're having the in colors. We're using Petunia Pop and Peach Pie, but there's also the other one, Shy Shamrock, Summer Splash, and Pretty in Pink. So I'm adhering some of the designer series paper or pattern paper to the one side of the card, and then I'm going to show you two ways that you can duplicate what I'm trying to do here on the cardstock that we will put on the right hand side. So for the peach pie, I'm actually using peach pie. So if you have a motif that you think will go well with this card kit, go ahead and use it. You don't have to use these little sprigs. You could use leaves or speckles or spots or what have you. So I am using the peach pie ink, but I can get a similar look just using Versamark, and that is a clear sticky ink. So again, if you don't and were not a part of my In Color Club last year, yet there's still time. You can sign up this month and still be a part of the In Color Club. However, it does end in 5 months, and we'll have a whole bunch of new in colors. But like I said, if you don't have the corresponding ink, you can use Versamark. So it's something to think about. And now I'm just going to adhere the cardstock on that right hand side of the card. And of course, these cards are just, my kits are for you to jump off and start creating. So it's a diving board. So basically, if you wanted to use another pattern paper, you could go ahead. If you wanted to use embellishments, you can go ahead. And I'm adhering the stitched square here from Stylish Shapes. I am adhering that on the right hand side. But you don't have to. You can do left hand side, and you don't have to put the stitched rectangle at all if you don't want to. But you can see here now, it doesn't matter how busy that cardstock is, it still looks lovely. The card opens like this, and I hope you enjoy this card kit. Again, I'm keeping track, and I will send it out when the strike is over. So thank you again so much for watching, subscribing, thumbs upping, and purchasing in my online store. I appreciate you guys so much. Have a good day. Bye for now.